Hello, what's up kids? And welcome back to a new gameplay. So today we play a new game, Real Truck Farming. So let's go! Beep beep beep, kids! Wow wow. So much huge place. Wow, what a nice tractor. Oh my tractor. Oh my tractor. Oh. I think we take a left, yeah. And now take a right, and there you go. Our truck is parked. Whoo! Refill the oil, and there you go. Now it's time to level 2. So let's start the truck. Wow, what a beautiful scene. So let's go. 3, 2, 1. Open the door. Whoa. My truck. My beautiful truck. Kids, we can play this game in a full screen. Wow. What a beautiful farms and jungles. Oh. Kids, if you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Wait a second. I think I should go continuously. Yeah. I don't know where am I. Oh, no. Don't go there. It's a wrong place. Where I am going. I'm going on a wrong way. I have to go to this way. Yeah. Wow, so much cows. Wow. I like cows. Cows. Wait. Take a back, my tractor. Please, take a back. Yeah, stop. Now, we have turn there. Yeah, turn. There you go. Woohoo! You almost reached to finish line. 3, 2, 1. Wow, we finally reached to finish line. Now, we have to farm this beautiful place with this machine. So let's go. Wow. We are farming. Take there and now go. What a beautiful farming. You farm like there, yeah. This is a good farming I ever seen. Kids, we have farmed this whole place. Beep. So much fans. My farming is really so much good. I like it. Come on. Let's farm this farm. I think I am doing better. Yes, I think so. I almost complete the farming. Go. Get more. Oh. Yeah. We almost finish our farming. Yes. Come on. It's almost there, kids. We farmed the whole farm. Yeah. Level completed. Now we finally reached to level 3. Woohoo! Go. My tractor. Let's go to your new journey. Kids, we have to follow these arrows. These blue arrows. Beep 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 beep. Beep 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 beep. Where should I go now? Where should I go now? Tell me, my character. I think I go continuously straight, 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 and take a left. Yes, there is the parking area. Wow, we parked the correct tractor. Now we have to farm our beautiful farmer. 3, 2, 1. Let's. Oh, I'm stuck. Oh no. This machine is heavy. Please come on, my tractor. Farm this beautiful area. Farm. Yes. Turn around, and go, go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, I'm stuck. Yes, we finally farmed the beets. Wow. Now, kids, we have to load these cows. Wow, beautiful cows. So let's go with our beautiful cows. Now we have 3 cows. We have sent these cows to their real place. Kids, are you with me? So let's begin. Let's begin. Let's begin. Let's begin. Let's begin. Wait a second. Yeah. Oh my cows. No, no. Oh. My car is too much slow. What is happening? I don't know. My cows, my cows, my cows. We almost reached to farm. No, take a back, take a back. Yeah, take a back, take a back, take a back. Now we have to turn left. Very, very right in a very carefully. Be careful from these rocks. And I think we almost reached to the cow's real place. There you go. Oh, there are so much cows. Wow. We have put the cow there. And there you go. We win. Finally, kids, we reached all the level and completed. So kids, if you like the video, please subscribe the channel. We will meet you next time with a new gameplay. So kids, bye bye.